Nestled at the top of the hill in the highly sought-after Orchard Glen community, this home boasts over 3,600 square feet with a 3-car garage. Experienced a saltwater pool and spa with waterfalls, custom fire pit, and fabulous custom barbecue station with plenty of room for family and friends to sit around and enjoy. So come on in and let's take a look around. This home offers great curb appeal. It's located on a cul-de-sac at the top of the community with an inviting front porch area. Enter through the custom glass front door to high ceilings, crown molding, upgraded baseboards, and hardwood floors. The home offers a living room off the entrance, which could be used as an office. The downstairs spacious bedroom is private and has its own upgraded bathroom ensuite and large closet. Notice the beauty of the open stairwell in the center of the home and the natural light that enters the space. The generous dining room is currently being used as a pool table room. There's an additional large dining area adjacent to the kitchen. The main floor also features a large half bath and oversized laundry room with cabinets, sink, and a substantial additional storage area. Enjoy cooking in your gourmet kitchen with dark rich color cabinets, granite countertops, and island with stainless 5-burner cooktop, microwave, and oven. The upgraded lighting adds to the ambiance. The kitchen flows into a substantial size family room that can hold any size TV your heart desires. Notice the fireplace and the plantation shutters. The additional windows in the home have been encased with wood for that finished look. On the second floor, you will find a loft with lots of cabinets. The secondary bedrooms are quite spacious with high ceilings and a centrally located full bath. The master suite is inviting with crown molding, high ceiling, and dual large walk-in closets. The upgraded master ensuite has a soaking tub, shower, dual sinks, and lighting. The backyard is pleasing to the eye with a saltwater PebbleTech pool with a spa cascading over Stackstone. 3 additional waterfalls add to the beauty it displays. Plenty of seating is offered around the gas fire pit after a long day. The custom barbecue with gas grill was designed with smooth concrete counters in the circle shape to allow for lots of seating. Additional seating is offered under the tall patio cover. Centrally located near award-winning schools, shopping, and easy access to the freeway. Enjoy the hiking trails along the foothills. This is one home you don't want to miss. Give us a call for your private tour.